Hi folks, Mark there to see you here from My Mobile Mentor, tutoring, team building and screen acting. Today I want to talk to you about the where factor. Where might screen acting actually apply? Where could it be useful? Well, for many students that I work with, it actually comes down to the ability to project vocally, the ability to maintain focus and attention, the ability to understand how to move within a scene itself, the ability to actually maintain atmosphere, energy, and subtext. All of those things sound really easy, but they're actually really involved. And that's what we actually teach our students, how to use place, location, and setting as part of their task, their objective, what's at stake in the scene. If you are a primary school student, secondary, tertiary, or adult learner, we would love an opportunity to speak with you further, learn more about what's happening on your side, so that we can possibly show you better ways to actually improve your self-confidence, your self-esteem using self-expression techniques. Drop us a line on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. We look forward to your inquiry. Thank you for watching, and here's to great self-confidence and great self-expression through screen acting techniques. Thanks folks, have a great day. Bye for now.